We've been the title sponsor as long as I can remember we've been involved. We're very fortunate that we get to come out here as not only a team for Strauss and Kahles to test product and train, but also to come to arguably the Augusta National shooting ranges. So it is an absolute treat to be out here. Every time you come out here, there's an improvement, and you don't always get to see that. So we love working with Julie and Shannon. So yeah, this is a K525i DLR, dynamic long range. What we've done is we've increased the field of view by 8% over the predecessor, the K525i. One of the things the shooters wanted is the ability to really be able to dial in on their 10 clicks. So what we were able to do is make the numbers bolder, and we just kind of decreased the amount of clicks per revolution. The other things we did is we include the accessories on this. The parallax spinner and the extended throw levers are almost essential in this sport. So anyways, that's the DLR. We have it here on showcase. Had a lot of great response from it, and we appreciate all the shooters' input to help us build a better product.
Kahles is a title sponsor of the PRS. Their support is integral to everything that we do. Whether guys use their optics, know their optics, or shoot something else, their support and recognition to the community not only make events like this possible, but our 600, 700 matches, all the way from rimfire one-day matches to this, the biggest and largest individual match in the country. Kahles is a huge part of that. They come out here, they listen, they support their, the events where they can, especially this one, and the shooters have responded.
Back, small one. Shooter understand course fire.
Left to right.
That's correct. Stand by.
Impact.
Back.
Good luck, Sean, bro.
Kahles is manufactured out of Quebec, Canada, with a large engineering powerhouse. We do everything from machine gun cradles down to bipods and triggers. One of the items that we have up for the prize table is going to be our light comp chassis and designed for the PRS community.
Shooting the Kahles CDX light, just bring it and go. That is one thing you can put out of your mind. Focus on the mental aspect of shooting and just rock and roll.
Also our Falcon Light SP bipods, they're a good value for what you get. They're very well thought out and designed. And then we have our DX2 Evo trigger. It's got a weight adjustment on the bottom and adjustable trigger shoe for dexterity on your trigger finger. And then some other items we have, like I said, the scope mounts and things of that nature.